What's up everybody? In today's video we're going to learn how to unzip file in Android phone. Okay, many people come to me and ask me this question: how you unzip files in Android phone? It's very simple. Okay, once you download your file, it's going to go to your download folder. Okay, so zip file actually look like this. Okay, you have this zip icon. This may depend on the application that you are using, but for this video we are using the file explorer. You can go to Google Play Store and download it. You call it Explorer. So all you need to do is go to your download folder where you've downloaded your file. Okay, this is my download folder and this is actually how it looks. So you go to your file, then go to your download folder. This is download folder. So come inside. I've already created some zip files, so you come inside and you're going to see some zip file. Okay, this is from Dope Motion, like sound effects that I got from him from IG. This is from, I don't know who this is from, but it's also a freebie content. Then we have Space Grotesque. This is actually a font. So I'm going to show you how you can actually unzip these files. Okay, the process is the same. Okay, the way this app works is that we have two panel. Okay, you can swipe back and forth and have two panel. So this one will have this one, then this other part we have this part too. So in your phone is like you're having two windows. Okay, it's the same thing. So most times I like operating my internal storage like this, and I like opening my external storage like this in case I want to copy things. Okay, in this case now, let's say we want to copy the files now that we've created from this download folder. Let me show you download. Where are you? Okay, we have the download folder here. Okay, these files now, okay, we want to unzip them to another folder. Okay, because like this now you can't use this file. So what you do is simply to come to the folder that you want to extract it to. So let's create a new folder. You see create new folder. Okay, let me create a new folder called extracted file. Okay, click OK, and now you swipe back to where the file are. Okay, what you do is to actually click and open. So you open. Once it's open like this, you come here and click on this check icon. Okay, here you long press and you say copy the file, and it's going to ask you where are you copying it to. This is irrespective of the file. As far as it's a zip file, this process is the same. Okay, it doesn't matter if you are extracting a PSD file, you are extracting a font, you are extracting anything, the process is the same. Okay, once you come here now, that folder that you've created is going to ask you if that's the folder you want to copy it to. But if that's not the folder you are seeing here, okay, this one here, you have to click cancel, then swipe back and open that folder. Okay, this is the folder we created, which is the extracted file. Okay, open it down, then come back, then hold and say copy. So now it's showing extracted file. So if you want to move the file to that folder, you can actually check this. Maybe you just want to copy, you can uncheck this. Okay, let's say we want to move it. Okay, we don't want to let it remain in that zip file. Maybe we are trying to manage space. Let's move it, and we click OK. The process is going to take place, and now if you open this file, there's nothing in there anymore because you've moved that file. This has automatically zipped it into this folder. So in the extracted file now, we are seeing free SFS sound effects by Dope Motion. It's no longer here. The same here. If you come here now and hold this newsletter and say copy, and you come back and you say move, since that folder is also open, you click OK. There is nothing here anymore. So if you come here now, you are seeing it is now unzipped in this folder. The same thing for this font. So you come here and long press this one static and say copy. Okay, for this one, in this case now, let's say we have all this font, they have different folder, and you want to copy everything once. All you need to do is to check everything and long press 1. Okay, check everything and long press 1. The process is the same. I say copy, and it's going to show you the same thing. Okay, now a folder that we opened is here now, which is the newsletter freebie, but this is not the folder because we mistakenly clicked on this newsletter. So this folder is now the one active. We want this one to be active, this extracted file, not this one. So let's swipe back again and long hold this one and say copy. So we want to move now. Okay, this time let's copy. Okay, let's not move, let's click OK. By copying, these files are still here, but if you turn here now, you're going to see that these files are now here also, because this is different between the copy and the move. So this is how you actually extract file in Android phone. I hope you find this video helpful, and again, This is the file explorer. This is what I've been using for years. Okay, you can actually go on Google Play Store and download it and use it for your design. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this helpful. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And today is the 52 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.